Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. Paul Stevenson just announced some of the updates that have already started coming into Exitus Elite. One of those is all the training products now are all going to be streaming based. No more downloading and unzipping the files and all that stuff. All you got to do is hit the course that you want to watch and you just hit play and it's just going to stream right there. He also talked about putting even more training into the G100, our lowest level, to provide more value for the beginners. So that's a pretty awesome update too, because it gives people more incentive to join. And he also said that there's many more opportunities and updates coming to the platform. So I'm really excited to see what else they're going to be putting out there. I'll keep you guys all updated on all these updates. And also, if you're in any other affiliate marketing business, you should definitely check out Exitus Elite, because it's it's been around for 8 years and it's still being updated to this day. And I think it's going to be one of the best platforms out there in the future after all these updates come through. I mean, we have all of the possible income streams and commissions that you can ever possibly want in a business. You got $100 commissions, $250 commissions, $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions, and $2,000 commissions, all in the same platform. And if you're in like Easy One-Up or Infinity processing system or any other of the big opportunities right now that are out there, if you want another platform to supplement and give you more income streams, I believe Exitus Elite is it. Our owner, Paul Stevenson, is always putting us members and us affiliates first. He's a great online business owner, and just the fact that all these updates are still coming to the platform even after 8 years says a lot for this company. And that's one of the main reasons why I joined this opportunity, was because the owner of the company cares about us affiliates and us members. He wants to improve the platform and update it so it's not outdated. And also, it's a platform where you don't have to bring in hundreds of people in order to start making really good to life-changing income. So that's why I picked Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is my go-to business, and I've done over 50 videos now for Exitus Elite, and I'm just going to keep on going. So if you'd like to join Exitus Elite, the link to join is in the description below, and as well as all my contact information. So feel free to contact me. Put a comment below in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content. So that's all I'm going to say in this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.